The best kitchen backsplash materials. Ceramic or porcelain tile is a shapeshifter. It can be whatever you want it to be. It can look tile-like by mixing and matching bold colors. Or, it can go the opposite direction and look natural, mimicking the look of stone. Glass tile kitchen backsplashes have a cool, sophisticated look. The reflective surface of glass returns light and brightens the kitchen. Colors in glass tile tend to be especially strong, and they never fade. Glass is naturally non-porous, so it never needs to be sealed. However, the grout between tiles should be sealed for stain resistance, just as with ceramic or porcelain tile. Metal backsplash tile once meant only one thing: large tin ceiling tiles repurposed for the wall. You'll still find this in use, although it's not as popular as it was in the past. More recently, there has been an explosion of smaller metal tiles in all sorts of textures and finishes. If you're trying for an old-world look in your kitchen, look no further than Travertine tile. This is natural stone and it's lighter and easier to install than manufactured stone veneer tile. It comes in rectified tiles from 4 by 4 inch up to 18 by 18 inch, though 12-inch squares are the largest tiles you'll want to use for backsplashes. Even though travertine is a form of limestone, which has a heavily pitted surface, the pits are typically filled in and honed smooth. Plastic backsplash is perhaps the easiest type of material to install. It can be cut with scissors and applied to the wall with double-sided tape. While real metal tile doesn't always stick well with tape, these plastic panels are so light that tape is a reliable option. To aid in installation, faux metal panels are 24.5 inches wide and 18.5 inches tall, the height being around the standard distance between counters and cabinets. Visually, stone backsplashes add great value to a kitchen, and they tend to be associated with higher-end homes. Better still, you can get this premium look without having to deal with real stone, which is heavy and hard to cut. Instead, most homes use what is called manufactured stone veneer, a man-made product composed of Portland cement, aggregates, and iron oxides. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.